Okay, to start this job, this is everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need some brake grease. You can get the little packs from AutoZone, or if you have it, this one here doesn't come with a brush, so this is what the little brush right here is for. Some brake cleaner, 22 millimeter to take the tire off. Extension. Socket is a 13 millimeter. Some kind of metal hook to hang your brake caliper once you disconnect it from the rotor. And this tool right here, if you do not have this tool, don't even start this job. This thing was $45 at AutoZone. Adjust it, and that just goes on the end of this. Then you can tighten up the caliper to bring it in. You can't use a clamp. You have to. This is a twist in caliper. Little wrench, crescent wrench, skinny enough because you're going to take off the screw for the caliper. You're going to need that. A little screwdriver or a pin to disconnect the cable. A little flathead to take the brake pads, help take the brake pads off. Then of course your brakes. I got this kind from AutoZone, the gold. I like these. These are $50 because it comes with new replacement. I think this is to stop the brake pad from rattling. But you put grease right here on your brake pads. I'll show you later. But this is everything you need to do the rear brakes. I'm not sure on the front. Okay, rear brakes on the 2017 Acura MDX. Got the car jacked up. It's a 22 millimeter. Take the tires off. Pop your hood. Put a rag around your master cylinder for your brakes. Don't loosen the top. That's so when you compress your caliper, the liquid will rise up. Most of the time it doesn't overspill, but if it does, the rag will catch it. Okay, take the tire off and you get your little screwdriver. Stick it in here. And that pulls out. That's out of the way. Now you want to take these off with the 13 millimeter. One here. But you want to use your crescent wrench to hold these, or else this will just keep spinning. So you hold this right there. There's one. Off. It slides out. Hang that out the way like that. Get your flathead. You see these right here. Gotta move it out the way. Okay, this the rear one. That's the tab on the bottom. So these things. These off. We'll replace them. I want to hit everything with the brake cleaner. Spray this side. Okay, now you want to put your metal plates on. These plates are to reduce rattling noise on the brake pads. It'll only let you fit it in one way. So once you get it in, put the bottom, put the top. Then you want to get your grease, your brake grease. I'm using that little pack from AutoZone. Make sure you put it in the slot where the brake pads sit on. The grease will help reduce the friction, cuts down on the sound, squeaking sounds. Make sure you get on the top, both sides, and on the bottom on both sides. And if you get some grease, or be careful not to get grease on the rotor like I did right here. But if you do, just wipe it off. Don't leave it on there. Okay, put grease all over here. Grease on this one. You want to do this clockwise. 3 prongs on these grooves. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you see the bolt likes to, the rubber on the caliper likes to get all discombobulated. Try to straighten it out a little bit. Careful not to poke a hole in it. Go around straightening it out. All you gotta do is just like push in and out a little bit and it'll straighten itself out. When you put it back, that's how you want it to look. You want uniform, you don't want this rubber all crunched up. Put your bolt back on top. One on the bottom. Make your electric back on. Then you just finish tightening these two back up. Put your tire back on. Check your fluid up front. See how much it raised up. If anything spilled, clean it up. If you gotta take some more out, take it out. If you need to add. Close it up, take it for a spin. Check it, make sure it's working good, and you're done.